से पूरा वहाँ कार वगैरह सब आ जाएगा।
थोड़ा स्लो मोशन में बिल्डिंग।
हाँ जल्दी आइए ना, खुद स्वागत है आप लोगों को गवर्नमेंट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज कोडरमा के प्रांगण में। हमारे बीच उपस्थित हैं माई सेल्फ प्रोफेसर B.N. राय, नोडल ऑफिसर गवर्नमेंट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज कोडरमा, and second representative is Professor Dinesh Kumar Prabhakar ji.
Dinesh Prabhakar from BIT Sindri, as well as in charge of IT in Government Engineering College, Koderma.
And third representative of our team for this videography is Mr. Avinash Kumar, representative of the agency who has built and constructed this building, NBCC.
Hello, I am Avinash Kumar. I am from NBCC. So this building is a girls' hostel of capacity 300. This is 300 bedded girls' hostel. We are in front of this is auditorium cum library building. So ground floor is auditorium and first floor is library building. Yeah. Now we are in front of assistant professor quarters. This is G+6 building. This is designated for assistant professors. Now we are in front of professor quarters. This is again G+6 structure. There are 24 number of units. Ground floor is a parking area.
कैंपस में हमारे सिक्योरिटी गार्ड भी हैं जो कोविड अस्पताल है उनके कर्मचारियों को देख रेख और सुरक्षा के लिए हैं।
Now we are in front of boys hostel A, of which capacity is 300. This is 300 bedded boys hostel.
Presently, it is converted into COVID hospital for emergency period. No patient is admitted here right now. Everybody has gone out of the campus.
Yeah, this building is again designated for boys hostel. This is boys hostel B of capacity 300. There are 112 rooms, 3 bedded capacity.
ऊपर तक टॉप फ्लोर तक है।
Yeah, this building is G+6 structure designated for class 3 type quarters. There are 28 units. Per unit is 2 BHK type quarters. This is class 4 type quarters. Again, the structure is G+6. 28 units are there.
दोनों गेट दिखा दीजिए। क्लास 4 क्वार्टर ये है, गो ब्लॉक है। क्लास 3 and class 4.
Yeah, this is the front view of our seminar hall and library building. 500.
ये प्रिंसिपल रेसिडेंस है ये अविनाश? ये बता दीजिए।
Yeah, if you see that there is barricading is here. This is the purpose for people should not come in the COVID hospital. So that is why the barricading is given here. If you see the building, this is the building for principal quarter, principal residence. This is G+1 bungalow designated for principal residence. Our pump house. This is 320 KL capacity tanks. One more tank of capacity 160 KL are also constructed in front of the boys hostel. So we have two water tank of total capacity is 500 KL. Yeah, this is the guest house building. There are 14 rooms, each having separate connected toilet and bathroom.
Double bedded
Yes,
Double
all,
bedded,
all the
14
buildings are
rooms.
double bed. All the rooms are double bed
with AC.
with AC factor. You see points are there. This is our substation building. Transformers and electrical panels are kept inside the building. So this is as per the requirement of our campus.
Generator. Green generator is also there. पावर बैकअप के लिए है जनरेटर हमारे कैंपस में. इन केस ऑफ इमरजेंसी लाइटिंग इज गिवन, पावर इज सप्लाइड फ्रॉम दिस जनरेटर.
Yeah, this is our academic cum admin block. This is G+4 structure. The total built-up area is around 17,000 square meters. So all the facilities, all the required, the building is constructed as per the requirement of AICT.
टोटल बिल्डअप एरिया कितना है इसका?
Total built-up area is 17,000 square meters.
टोटल
Total.
17
For this building.
फॉर दिस बिल्डिंग. एकेडमिक एंड
Admin block. This is the central atrium, the front entry of our academic cum admin block.
I think entrance lobby है. Entrance lobby.
Entrance block.
सीढ़ी तक वहाँ तक फोकस करिए. ये आपका लिफ्ट पूरा दिखा देगा.
Yeah, 4 lifts are there. 2 lifts of, we are having 2 lifts of capacity 10 persons and 2 lifts designated for goods shifting. आगे से स्टोर में
एग्जामिनेशन कंट्रोल रूम. लैंग्वेज लैब. Fabrication lab. Fabrication lab.
And opposite to it we have drawing hall.
Fire engine, fire engine. Additional works of civil engineering department.
This is our ground floor setup. So all the buildings that we have, which is shown is at ground floor area.
So this is another workshop for civil engineering department. An additional workshop for the mechanical engineering department. So total we have 3 workshops.